This is a quick talk through of the tasks that you have to do as an extension work either in class or as homework. We copied this grid onto file paper and we're going to use whatever information we have in iTunes U or here to fill in this grid. So with the substances are silicon, argon, carbon dioxide, sodium azide. We need to differentiate our answers because we're talking about uses, chemical properties, and why suitable for that use. Silicon is silvery in colour, just like a metal, but it is also crystalline and brittle, so it also has the properties of a non-metal as well. The main use of silicon is in processors and semiconductors found in computers and electrical components. Its properties are that it can be grown to be a very large crystal that acts as both a conductor and insulator when sliced into thin wafers. This makes it very suitable for use in electrical components because its conductivity can be switched on and switched off rapidly. This couldn't happen if you tried to make the same thing out of a metal. In its normal state, argon is a colourless gas that forms a tiny part of the atmosphere. One of the uses of argon is shown in this picture. It's being electrically excited to give off a glow, so it's used in fluorescent lighting and also used to fill hot filament bulbs because it's an unreactive gas. The unreactivity of argon is its main chemical property. It's got a number of uses based on the fact that it won't react when in contact with anything, hot or cold, whatever the chemical is in contact with. Why is argon suitable for using in lights or welding equipment? Well, it's very stable over a range of temperatures and is not going to allow any compounds to form which may damage the equipment that it's been used with. Carbon dioxide is a colourless gas that is used to make fizzy drinks and is also in fire extinguishers. It has lots of other uses as well. When under pressure, carbon dioxide will dissolve in large quantities in water-based solutions and stay invisibly in that solution until the pressure is released. Carbon dioxide is also tasteless, odourless and non-toxic, so using it in this way won't cause us any harm. Why is carbon dioxide suitable for this use? Well, it's cheap, readily available, can be easily compressed, but most of all, when it is used in this way, that's in the fizzy drinks department, then it adds a pleasant sensation to the drink that you're tasting. Sodium azide is a fairly plain looking white compound. The main use of sodium azide is as the material put into the safety devices in cars which are called airbags. The chemical properties of sodium azide are that it is a poisonous material, but its main chemical property is that when heated it will rapidly decompose to give off lots of nitrogen. You might see this nitrogen in the formula over here. That nitrogen is the gas released that inflates this airbag very rapidly. The main reason that sodium azide is very suitable for the use in airbags is because when heated or sparked it rapidly decomposes in milliseconds to give a large volume of gas, as we can see here, and that gas is nitrogen that comes from this part of the molecule. Nitrogen is non-toxic and won't harm the occupants of the car, and the other products made in this reaction are non-toxic as well. If you use this video along with your own research, possibly starting with BBC Bitesize, you should be able to produce a really good table that summarises this task for your BTEC course. Good luck!